Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can watch replays from your recent games in League of Legends. Okay, so first of all we have to go for our profile, then enter for the match history and pick one of the recent games. We got right here last 20 games. I would like to pick, for example, the first one from yesterday, so I have to click here to download the replay. Now we have to wait until this icon change for the play button, so just be patient and wait a little bit until the download will be finished. And here we have the play button, so when you click right here we'll be able to watch the replay. So let's do this right now. And as you can see right now we are in the loading screen and we'll be able to simply watch the game. I'm gonna mute sound, and right here you have the timeline. So if you want to take a look at any kill or any object, like for example here we take the Baron, so we can watch it just right here. You can simply pause, you can start recording also from this replay. You can speed up by tapping right here or slow down even for this value. If you want to analyze your games, you can move with your mouse on the minimap, so that's how you can navigate. But you can also set the follow camera, the directed camera, and it will be automatically switched for nearby players, but you can only focus on one player, for example on the Wukong, and the camera will stay on him all the time until we change it. And here we can also set the fog of the war. Let me show you. In the river, for example, we can turn it on or turn it off, or pick for the specific team, red or the blue, as you can see. And basically that's all. If you want to finish this replay, you can just click escape and then click exit game, then click leave. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.